It's hard following that. I'm Cynthia Robinson. I'm the pastor at the New Ark United Church of Christ in New Ark, Delaware, and it is my pleasure to be here today. Assalamu alaikum. Shalom. And peace be with you. From Psalm 133, how very good and pleasant it is when kindred live together in unity. We can have unity because we are kindred. We heard about the cousins. I think we're more like, I don't know, maybe third cousins twice removed. Christians are. Jesus was so far down the line there. We can have unity because we are kindred. We are sisters and we are brothers. We are flesh, blood, and bone. We are emotions and intelligence and doubts and experiences and flaws and questions and vulnerable as all get out. It's every single one of us. But there are a few things that I will not and I cannot share with you. I will not give you my fear. Instead, I will be vulnerable. I will let you see me as I am, flawed and ready. I will not give you hate, for there is no place for it in my heart. Even for those who hate me, there is no place for hate in my heart. Instead, I will be vulnerable and share with you my imperfect love and ask you to forgive me as I must forgive you. What can I give you but my heart? And in my heart there is justice, there is peace, there is courage, and there is song. Now I'm going to ask you to do something really radical right now. I'm going to ask you to hold hands. If this is a unity rally, we hold hands around the dinner table, we hold hands in worship sometimes, but when do we ever hold hands in public and acknowledge one another as family, as kindred? If you're a little touchy about hands, a hand on the shoulder is also just as good. It feels wonderful. Now I want you to look all around you. Look all around you. Look at this crowd. I wish you could see what I'm seeing. All around us, it looks like the wheels are coming off, doesn't it? And the ground is shifting under our feet. It feels like a lot of days. When really, you know what's happening? The walls are coming down. That's why the ground is shaking. The shackles are coming undone. The lines that divide us are being erased. And so, come on, hold hands. Keep holding hands. No. So we need to hang on to each other with all this shifting going on. And remember this human covenant that we all share. This is the one thing that will never change and that shall not be moved. Amen. We are human together. And so I want to teach you a song. He sang and you didn't sing much. I'm not going to let you get away with that. All right, we're going to sing, because that's another thing we don't do in public very often, is sing together. This is a South African freedom song. It's one word. You can do this. All right, first repeat after me, Bombay. 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 Leila. Leila. Bombay Leila. Bombay Leila. You got it. That's all you got to remember. And what it means is never give up. I'm going to sing it once, and then you're going to join me. Bombay Leila. Bombay Leila. No. You're going to listen to me, and then I'm going to get you to sing it, all right? You got to learn it first. Bombay Leila. Bombay Leila. Oh, Bombay Leila. Bombay Leila. Oh, Bombay, 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 Bombay. Oh, Bombay, Bombay Leila. Bambelela, bambelela, oh, bambelela, bambelela, oh, bambe, 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 oh, bambe, bambelela. Now let me hear you sing it. Bambelela, bambelela, oh, bambelela, bambelela, oh, bambe, 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 oh, bambe, bambabela. Never give up, never give up, oh, never give up, never give up.